Today, we have an exciting adventure ahead as we delve into the vibrant and mouth-watering world of Mexican street food. From spicy tacos to savory quesadillas, we're ready to satisfy our taste buds with the authentic flavors of Mexico. Join us on this culinary journey as we explore the bustling streets flavors of Mexican street food. First stop, tacos. We're here in the heart of Mexico, ready to discover the aromas of grilled meats, the sound of sizzling pans. You can find taco stands on almost every corner of Mexico. Here, the tortillas are made fresh, and the fillings are bursting with flavor. Let's dig in and experience the explosion of flavors. Next up, tamales. These traditional Mexican delights are made from masa, a dough made from corn, filled with various savory or sweet fillings. Burritos. One of the reasons burritos have become so popular is their convenience. They're the perfect meal for those on the go or looking for a quick and satisfying bite. Whether you're exploring the vibrant streets of Mexico City or rushing between meetings, burritos provide a portable, flavorful, and fulfilling meal option. Churros. These crispy, golden pastries dusted with cinnamon and sugar are a staple of Mexican street food. Served piping hot and often accompanied by a rich chocolate dipping sauce. Churros are the perfect way to end our culinary adventure. What a fantastic journey we've had through the enticing world of Mexican street food. From tacos, tamales to burritos, and churros to satisfy our sweet tooth, each bite has been a delight. We hope you enjoyed this gastronomic exploration with us. As we say goodbye, remember to embrace the diversity of street food wherever you are.